Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to show followers on Facebook. So for that, first thing is open the Facebook application, then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap that, and here you scroll down, then tap on setting and privacy. And then tap on setting. Once you're at the setting and privacy section, you need to scroll down to the audience and visibility. In the audience and visibility, you need to tap the followers and public content. You tap that. Now here you will be able to edit the followers and public content regarding setting. In this page, you scroll down and you will find who can see your followers on your timeline. And the setting is currently saved to only me. That is, only I will be able to see the number of followers that I have on my Facebook. So to change it, you can choose the option public or friend. If you choose the friend, only your friend will be able to see the followers number on your Facebook profile. Now if you tap on public, everyone on Facebook will be able to see the number of followers that you have on your Facebook profile. This is a way how you can easily show followers on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.